Ayan. Photo mo yan.
Hindi ah.
Photo mo yan. Photo mo yan. Ganda doon. Doon banda. Kanya. Talinap yan. Doon. Kaya wala itong buka tayo. Hindi ako hawak.
Ito.
Wonder what knows.
Diyan ako niya.
Ah.
Rising along, and then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes.
Yeah.
You were wonderful tonight. Go to the party,
Yan, hindi pa nakainom yan ha.
and everyone turns to see.
Yung paborito niya tong kanta. Team song.
Walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes. You were wonderful tonight.
Team song yan, team song ha.
Wonderful. Come and see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of this whole seems you just made how much I love you.
Team song yan. Yummy. Alak pa na. Wala na.
Sunod, ayun natin. Sunod. Kulang na natin yung ano.
Ha?
Gawin na natin anak mo. Kulang natin sunod.
It's time to go home now. And I got so I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful
Focus talaga.
tonight.
Isang kanta talaga sa kanya oh. Ano to, yung team song talaga sa ano ba? Team song sa boyfriend niya. Yan na. Team song boyfriend niya.
Para nga pala yan sa ano ko, boyfriend ko. Pag YouTube yan.
Yan na. Yan na.
Yan natin, stop natin.